Well, are you ready to do it though?
Uh-huh.
What are we doing? This is your first time, what? On the sleigh? What are we gonna do? We're gonna go? Okay, hold on, let me get on it. Okay, hold your hands the same way we did. No.
How do I do it?
Sit your bum down there and hold the handles.
Like this?
How we did it the last time.
There you go.
You got it?
All right, ready?
Ready?
Go.
Ready, steady, go. Whee. Whoa. Whoa, we're going fast now. Whoa. What happened? We spun out. Oh no. Now it's snowing again. You want to do it again? You got snow on your nose. Bust. Here.
After the playing. First time I do the snow.
All right, well.